Majority Leader Harry Reid is weighing in on the upset that has boxing fans reeling. The defeat of Manny Pacquiao by Timothy Bradley for the world welterweight title. Pacquiao appeared to dominate, but two of the ringside judges had the fight 115 to 113 for Bradley, resulting in Pacquiao's first loss in 7 years. Now, Reid calls it a simple bad decision and says it may prompt legislation.
As I said, I am confident that there was nothing untoward. I think people just make bad decisions in a lot of things they do, including judging fights. But it doesn't hurt to clear the air and take a look at this. Senator McCain and I have been trying for years to get a national boxing bill passed here. We have not been able to do it. Maybe this will be the impetus that Senator McCain and I can get back, work on that again.
Disappointment is especially deep in Pacquiao's native Philippines, where reaction to his loss is described as shock, disbelief, and fury. Well,
a lot of sports fans very, very upset. Harry Reid from Nevada, obviously upset. I think he was once a boxer himself, so he loves that sport.
I think a lot of people were surprised by that, but it is what it is at this point. That was the decision.
Yep. All right, Lisa, thanks very much. A dire news.